Hello and welcome to your 58th SQL Server tutorial. My name is Johnny DeLuca and tonight I want to talk to you about parameterizing functions. This tutorial, as with my last tutorial, are information only tutorials. There will not be any hands-on exercise in SQL Server Management Studio, but both this tutorial, number 58, as well as number 57, are crucial that you go over them in order to be able to better understand what will be going on in tutorial 59, and that will be hands-on in tutorial 59, where I'll be showing you how to create, alter, and drop a user-defined scalar function. So the reason why, basically this should all be one tutorial, number 57, 58, and 59, but I decided to split them up three ways so it's not too much information to take in all at once. So now, anyways, without further ado, parameterizing applies to both types of functions, scalar and table valued. In the scope of T-SQL function programming, a parameter is an input value that can be passed from the calling function into the code. A parameter can be set to a constant, a column from a table, an expression, as well as other values. Functions can contain three types of parameters. We have input, which is the value passed into the body of the function. Optional, as the name indicates, this parameter is not required to execute the function. And then we have the default. This parameter indicates when a value is assigned to the parameter during creation. And so in other words, it's a value that is specified when the function is created. Now I have a little sample script here, a little dummy script. The input parameter does not have a default value. A value must be provided when the function is called, as you can see. This is the input. Now, the optional parameter is set to null, we see right here, during creation, so that when you use the function, it can be called without providing a value. And then last, the default parameter has a value assigned to it during creation, but when it is executed, you can specify the default keyword in place of the parameter. All right. And that does it for this tutorial. Real short again. In the next tutorial 59, I will be covering how to create, alter, and drop a user-defined scalar function. So make sure, well, obviously you've watched this one, but if you didn't watch the previous tutorial 57, go back and watch that. And I'll see you in tutorial 59. Thanks for stopping by.